All right, so welcome back. We are trying to join the domain. I had some login issues, so I have to sort it out. Right, so we are joining here. So it should be realm join the particular domain, and then you can give the username to which trader and right, brilliant. So it's as simple as that for the first time to do that. However, let's go and check if we have the domain. So there are different ways for you to check whether uh, the server is added as part of your domain. Uh, uh, the simple way for you to check is just go and to the server and then check whether the client has been added to it, and then whether you can log in using one of your what to say, one of your um, domain users. So we have different domain users, so we will check in both of that. But eventually, because I really feel very happy when I see that something has happened like this, because first time when I was doing it, I was having a lot of issues uh, to add it, because the softwares, the utilities, and then the configurations, we had a lot of challenges. So in case if you have challenges like that, if you come up with some installation challenges, don't get frustrated. Don't think that it is too much for you to think about. Just it's a process. You have to make sure that your domain, your domain server, domain controller, and the server pings each other, and you must know that the DNS is configured properly. If you can do that, then absolutely you will get this connection. You can add the Debian member. So you could see here in the computers, you can have you have Debian, um, and then it says that it is a Linux GNU. It is part of domain computer as well. So if you want to delegate something, you can do it, but it's not within the scope at the moment. So it is fine. For some reasons, my server is shutting down. I can start back when it is restarted. So eventually, we have achieved this. We will still check over with other configurations here, but anyways, for now, yeah, we are done with this. So we have added this guy. So we have added the Debian server, and which means for us this is over. So almost we have done everything. Only uh, task which is pending here is DHCP services. I will do the DHCP services um, in my next video, which means all the other things are left for you to work around. I'm just waiting for the server to start. I'm really very keen to see how this works. There are a few things, like I said, we have checked the domain controller. The domain controller already has um, the Debian as a member. So literally, we have Debian. We have Debian as a member, right? So let's do furthermore checks as well. Sudo realm list. So you could see that this is the list. It is now configured. Previously, you could see that it was not configured here when we was discovering. Here it says that it is configured. So it is a Kerberos type of authentication. Login policy, allow realm logins. So login format is this one. So you have to use administrator at nitish.acca to log in kind of things, right? So it's really brilliant for us. So this is another way you can check whether you have your uh, servers added to the domain as well. So the other ways we can check is with the users. Um, I will check if I have this KN Nitish.acca. So it says that Nitish.acca at Nitish.acca not found in Kerberos database. Um, right. Okay. I might know what the problem is. Maybe this is here. No, it is not there. It's fine. Let's see if I could get the user signed in into it. That could also prove it. So let's go here and then exit, and then I say Munya at natish.acca, and then I give the password, and it takes a while. Hope it goes through. Hmm, no, it didn't go through. Let's say Munya, and it didn't give a error message as well. Login is incorrect. Okay. Oh, at natish.acca, and maybe it takes a while. It should not take this much time. I don't know. Let's go back and see if we are missing something. But anyways, this is what the task is for us to log in, and we could log in. Here we go. Yeah, that's really nice for us. So now I am part of. I'm now logging in using Munya, right? Into my Debian, which means I'm using the domain user to log in into my Debian, which means it works fine. So which means our task is complete, right? So hopefully this should be the challenging task for you. If you have if your DNS is not configured properly, if you don't have a ping properly, if you don't have a connectivity properly, or if you don't have the tools, appropriate tools or required tools which you want to do it, so you have to be very careful when you do this. So I would say that do this as after you have configured your domain controller, or after you have configured your VPN connectivity, after you have configured your DNS, so that it is going to be really easy and straightforward for you, right? Okay, see you in the next video with DHCP.